In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do integrations in GoHighLevel. Integrating your favorite apps and services can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, start by logging into your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to select your specific sub-account. Each location or brand you manage can have its own integration set up, which is particularly useful if you're juggling multiple clients or projects. With your sub-account selected, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Once in Settings, click on Integrations. Here, you'll encounter a diverse array of built-in integrations, allowing you to easily connect with popular services like Facebook, Google, Outlook, Stripe, Zoom, and many more. To illustrate, let's connect with Stripe for handling payments. Click on Connect with Stripe, and this will prompt you to either log into your existing Stripe account or, if you haven't yet, create a new one. Make sure to authorize GoHighLevel to access your Stripe data. This integration will then enable you to add payment forms and funnels, collect deposits through calendars, and even create invoices and subscriptions. Remember, it's best to connect Stripe within your selected sub-account rather than at the agency level to ensure everything is streamlined correctly. Moving on, let's integrate Google or Outlook Calendar. Return to your integration section and select either Google or Outlook depending on your preference. By clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to sign in and grant permissions, which facilitates seamless calendar synchronization. This integration ensures that appointments auto-update, enables two-way syncing, and activates automated email reminders. Next, set up your email by connecting Gmail or Outlook. Head to Settings, then My Staff, and select the user for which you want to configure email services. Click Connect Google or Connect Outlook to enable GoHighLevel to send emails directly from your workflows or conversations. By doing this, you'll have a streamlined process for sending emails without ever leaving the GoHighLevel platform. For social media engagement, connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Navigate back to your integrations section and click on Facebook. You'll need to log into your Facebook business account and authorize GoHighLevel's access to your Facebook lead ads and Instagram direct messages. Determine which pages or ad accounts you want linked, and once done, GoHighLevel will automatically pull leads from your ads, triggering relevant workflows or automations. If your workflow involves meetings, let's connect with Zoom. Similarly, in the integration section, select Zoom, log in, and authorize access. This integration is super useful as it can auto-generate Zoom meeting links for calendar bookings, which can be included in email confirmations for seamless scheduling. For custom integrations, tools like Zapier, Pabbly, or Make are your go-to. Create an account with these services if you haven't already, and choose GoHighLevel as the app you wish to integrate with. Configure the trigger, choose the second app, map the data fields, and run a few test connections to ensure everything's working smoothly. Finally, it's crucial to test each integration. Perform a test action such as sending a test lead or booking a meeting to verify everything syncs correctly with GoHighLevel. If you encounter any issues or need to switch accounts, simply revisit Settings, hit Disconnect next to the app, and reconnect as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up integrations on GoHighLevel. Test thoroughly to ensure fluid and efficient use of all your integrated tools.